Good afternoon, friends. So today I have to show you one of my favorite scanner. It's a 1 hour scanner. So it is an intraday scanner. It's a bullish scanner. So I will show you the results. Okay. I will show you the last 1 month results. Okay. So this is the scanner. This is the 1 month back tested history. So I will download this file now. So this is the TT stock intraday scanner. So it's a bullish only. So I will give you all the files. You can backtest it, and after that you can decide. So we can reliable or what. See. So these are the results of the scanner. Okay. So I have to show you from morning today. So we will see at yesterday Co4. So it is giving the signal. See, yesterday the Co4 is huge move. Okay. So I have to show you yesterday 10:15 Co4 is giving the signal for me to enter the long side. So we will see in the chart. So this is the Co4 chart. So this is the yesterday. So see, from 10:15 onwards it's going up. Yesterday I'm showing yesterday. So I will download it again. So I will pick up randomly and you can check it is reliable or not. So I will give you all the data here. So which one okay, CNTENKA. Yeah, what is the time? I forgot it. Yeah, so 10:15 is giving the signal today. I don't know what is the stock. I don't know what is the fundamental of the stock. So simply it is a technical analysis. So CNTNKA. Okay, CNTNKA. Okay, it is giving a 10:15. See here, it's a 9:15. It is a 10:15. So from 10:15 it is going up. Okay, so what is the opening price? 262. Now it is 272. So the price, and made high 277. So like this, this scanner will work. So if anybody interested to learn this, you can definitely join. You can join my course. So usually I will conduct my course. So for working people or non-working people every day at 9 p.m. If anybody interested, they can join. And I shared my backtested results, and you can backtest it. And I will show you again. I will download this file. I will show you. See, you can take the screenshot and you can backtest it from April 5th to April 8th. And after that, so you can backtest it. So you can take this screenshot and backtest it. So this is over. So again you can take the screenshot. Take this screenshot. Take this screenshot. Take this. Take this. Okay, so check in the chart with the time and entry in the chart with the date. So now it is an intraday bullish scan. Okay, and after that you can decide whether you have to take the course or not. Thank you. See, I have a bank nifty intraday bullish and intraday bearish scanner. I have a swing trading also. I have a positional also, and I have a stock intraday stock intraday bullish and stock intraday bearish also is there. So I have more than 6 scanners are there. Everything I will share in the course. So if anybody interested to join my course, you can ping me. I will give you my WhatsApp number in the description. So thank you.